The holiday season is here, a time for celebration, reflection, and connection. But do you know the origins and traditions behind some of the world's most cherished holidays? In today's episode, we'll unwrap the truth about Kwanzaa, Christmas, and Hanukkah. With the help of Legit, we'll explore the history and meaning of these holidays that bring so many people together. Let's start with Kwanzaa, a week-long celebration honoring African heritage, unity, and culture. It was created in 1966 by Dr. Maulana Karenga, a professor of African studies, during the civil rights movement. Kwanzaa is celebrated from December 26 to January 1st and focuses on 7 principles known as Nguzo Saba, such as unity and self-determination. These principles are symbolized through the kinara, which holds 7 candles. Legit also highlights how Kwanzaa is not a religious holiday but a cultural one, meant to bring families and communities together. From traditional foods to music and storytelling, Kwanzaa is a vibrant celebration of identity and legacy. Next, let's explore Christmas, celebrated by billions around the world. While it's known as a Christian holiday marking the birth of Jesus Christ, its traditions span centuries and include influences from many cultures. The date, December 25th, was chosen in the 4th century, possibly to align with earlier pagan festivals like Saturnalia. Legit also uncovers how customs like decorating a tree and exchanging gifts originated in Europe and became global symbols of the holiday. Christmas is also a time for charity and goodwill. As seen in the story of St. Nicholas, the inspiration behind Santa Claus, Legit links us to fascinating details about how this beloved figure evolved from a 4th century bishop to the jolly icon we know today. Lastly, let's look at Hanukkah, the Festival of Lights, an 8-day Jewish celebration commemorating the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. Hanukkah dates back over 2,000 years to the Maccabean Revolt, when a small group of Jewish fighters reclaimed their temple from Greek rule. The menorah is lit to honor the miracle of the oil, which lasted 8 days despite being enough for just one. Legit also highlights modern Hanukkah traditions, like playing dreidel, eating lax, and gathering with loved ones. It's a celebration of resilience, faith, and light in the darkest of times. So, truth seekers, whether you're celebrating Kwanzaa, Christmas, Hanukkah, or another tradition, these holidays remind us of the values we hold dear: hope, unity, and light. With Legit, we can explore their origins and meaning, gaining a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of human culture. Next time you're curious about the stories behind the celebrations, let Legit guide you. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and keep seeking the truth.